In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Bluebeam default PDF viewer. Now, the first thing you want to do is actually not inside the Bluebeam itself, but you want to go down here to the search box in your Windows computer, click on it, and then type in default apps. So default apps, there we go. You want to click on that, and it's going to take you to your settings. And here where it says enter a file type or link type, simply type in PDF. And then when it says .pdf, click on that, and it's going to show you your current default PDF document viewer. Now, if I show you over here in my downloads folder, as you can see, everything here right now is set as PDF for Google Chrome. And if I go ahead and change this, you'll be able to see it's going to change into Bluebeam. So over here, simply click on it and then select a default app you want to do. Suggested, you should be able to see Review over here or Bluebeam. Click on it, click on Set Default, and there we go. If I now go over to my downloads folder, as you can see, I now have my Bluebeam as a default PDF viewer. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.